Hello everybody. I want to pour my wine. I don't want to start with no wine. Okay, today we make pizza di patate. Pizza di patate. Okay, pizza patate. What do you want to call it? I call it pizza di patate. Now, what I got over here, I got mozzarella and I got the Parmigiano pecorino cheese we need. And we gotta use the black pepper. I got salt. I need oil. And I got over here, I was buying mortadella. And I got eggs, butter, and I got breadcrumbs. And over here, I was boil already the potato. It's not really hot. And I gotta squeeze the potato. And I want to squeeze the potato on this spot over here. It's a nice one. And we put the potato, gets really hot.
Can you say happy birthday to Giovanni?
Happy birthday, Giovanni! Okay, now and we squeeze.
Hello, Suzanne. She's Polish wife too.
Hello, Suzanne. We squeeze like this, got this.
Sorry, she said I need some wine too.
Yes, now let me squeeze the potato first. And after we go on the wine.
Frankie, she said I'm in Italy right now. Wow, good.
Oh, good for you. Dove in Italy?
Can you say hello to everybody? It's like...
Hello everybody. Tonight we make a pizza di patate. Se ora son carne magica. Immigrante, io sono immigrante tu. America. Look how nice this potato.
Can you say happy birthday to Joe?
Happy birthday, Joe. After we get a nice glass of wine, Joe, for your birthday. Okay.
And happy birthday to Anna.
Hello, Hannah. Happy birthday. Oh, we got a lot of birthday.
Joanne, she said you guys are the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Joanne.
Can you say happy birthday to Sal Latona?
Salapona?
Sal Latona, 85 years old.
Oh, happy birthday, Salatona. 84 years old? 85. Oh, good. Almost you older than me a little bit.
Yeah, we have pasta and potatoes video. Yes.
Un bacetto un coppo fatto. C'è bisogna zingare per divenire con
Happy birthday
c'è.
to Karen. Wow.
Hello, Karen. Happy birthday.
Wow. Carl, she said it's 26th wedding anniversary.
Happy 26th anniversary. Okay, now we put this out of business.
Ooh, we have lots of potatoes.
You got a lot, huh?
Well,
But look how nice, soft, nice.
yeah.
Okay, now let's start a little bit on a time now. We start, it's okay, after this I gotta leave it for after too. We put a little cheese, pecorino cheese, but right away we gotta mix.
And you have birthday. David, it's his birthday too.
Who?
David.
Hello, David. Happy birthday. Okay, now we slice little butter. Per farsi drezza d'oro. And we mix this.
Mirella from Adelaide, South Australia.
Adelaide, Australia.
Wow, happy birthday, Lucy.
Happy birthday, Larry birthday today. Okay, now we put a little salt. little black pepper,
Did you, what kind of it's a golden yuca.
golden yuca potato. The mamma io saccio negli te. Okay, this done, this done, this done. The butter is done. Now we got 2 eggs.
And this is the recipe from your place?
Yes, this is it's a pugliese recipe. We gotta mix it right away because I don't want the eggs cook with the potato.
Wow, you got a lot of butter.
Okay.
Hello, Testa from Point Pleasant. Wow, we close.
Point Pleasant, close.
Somebody asked, do you have nickname Patsy? Somebody call you?
Yes. He call me Pazzi, he call me Pasquale, Pasqualino, Pat.
Happy birthday, 90 years old, Anna.
Oh, happy birthday, 90 years old, and 90 more.
Hello, Peggy.
Okay, now, before we put the cheese, we got over here mortadella, okay? Mortadella with the, what do you call this? Pignolo, you know?
Pistachio.
Pistachio. And we put, now, se you don't want mortadella, you can use ham, or prosciutto, salami, sausage, dry sausage, and you can mix it together. All right, now, when I do the mortadella, I do like this. Accordo?
Oh, Maria from Long Branch.
Hello, Maria, Long Branch.
Hello, Lauren. Thank you.
Okay, look. We lose them up a little bit.
Angelo is 59.
Angelo. 59. Oh, okay.
It was a 2 eggs and it was a 2-pound potatoes.
Okay, now this is the mortadella. Now I got the oven already on. It's somebody started to smell the food. I gotta open the door.
Actually, we bought today in a ShopRite with pistachio. They don't have all the time with pistachio, but this is...
Yeah, you gotta do pistachio today.
Yeah.
Okay, now we give a nice mix of the mortadella with potato. Uè Marie, te madurpi. Uè Marie,
Smelled the food all the way from home.
look, my son is smelling now.
Smell this over here.
Hello. Okay, now it's time of the cheese. Mozzarella. I got some shredded mozzarella, a cube of mozzarella, and this is make, oh, when we call this pizza potato.
Luann likes your curly hair.
You like this better? And like this. Hey, nice mortadella. Oh.
Peggy, I will be walking, not running. I'm not up to running yet.
Salute Cin Cin. Happy birthday to everybody.
I
Got a
know.
lot of birthday today.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Salute.
It's my birthday.
Okay, now. Okay, now we mix this really good.
Somebody asked, can you give some good recipe suggest for 25 wedding anniversary?
Well, I think maybe a nice prime rib, a nice strawberry dip with the chocolate, a nice champagne. I think it run really good. Or you can make a nice stuffed lobster. I got the recipe the stuffed lobster, and you can check. Okay. Now we put this over here, and this I put it now over here. And this is the parts I gotta use for the stuff. I got the pizza patata. We put oil over here.
Yeah, it's fine, Peggy. That will be nice. Finally, we will be meeting together.
Okay.
I hope the weather will be nice.
We put oil, make sure all over the place.
Yeah, next week we're doing what do you call walk for
Valerie Fund.
Valerie Fund. If somebody would like to join the team,
Nah,
you are welcome.
I put a little oil around, like this. Okay.
Hello from California.
I put it right over here. Now we put a breadcrumb. Now I put the breadcrumb on a bottle to make the potato, the crust. And we spread like this all over.
Will you be ever publish a cookbook?
Well, maybe one day.
You gotta get your typewriter out and start.
We gotta find one.
Wait, just real quick. So yeah, we're doing the Valerie Fund in case people missed it. So I just want to say, altogether so far, I think it's been a week and a half. So far donated to the Valerie Fund, which is a fund for sick kids that have disorders and cancer and a lot of bad stuff. So far we were able to raise $1,301. So thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much, everybody. I hope more people I like to work together with me. And like this, I like to see a lot of people with me working together on the beach.
And in case you didn't know, you could join our team. We're all walking together. There's, I believe, 18 people all together so far. You could join our team, walk with us. It's in Long Branch, New Jersey, October 13th. So yeah, if you can't make it, you can't make it. But if you like to donate to the Valerie Fund, you can still do that. I'll put a link in like 2 seconds if you want to check it out.
Okay, now we got the potato over here, and I want to do like this.
It's not his birthday.
Okay.
Everyone thinks it's his birthday today.
All right, now let me wash my hands. I like the.
No, it's not his birthday today.
Today, it's a birthday every day for me.
His birthday was September.
Okay, now I was washing my hand, and what I do, I put a little oil. I make my finger, my hands smooth. Like this, look. And you pack. Pack. Now I got the oven already 400 degree, and this you gotta cook for half hour.
Oh, I'm sorry that. Hope you're okay. Nothing broken.
Okay, now we put mozzarella right in the middle. I like the melt. Okay, now the mozzarella is done, and we gotta put the rest, the potato over here. La passione. Okay. And now we pack this the same like I did the first lay.
Okay, Kathy, please let us know how you like it. Wow, it's good you didn't break anything, just bruises. Sorry for that. You need to be very careful.
Okay, now what I want to do, wash my hand.
No, it's not. It's mortadella with pistachio. Ah, pierogi, good.
Okay, now what we gotta do over here, we gotta the breadcrumb. And we put breadcrumb all over the place.
It's next Sunday, 13, October 13. Ah, somebody want a kopitka. Well, we have to make one day, kopitka.
All right, now we got the rest of the pecorino cheese. And now we put a little butter on the top.
Sorry, Felicia, about your heart attack. I hope you all better.
Okay. Now, this is done. You gotta go in the oven for 8 hours, 35 minutes. And before I put this in the oven, I wanna say to everybody, salute e chin chin. And I wanna say everybody, October 13, or the 12th, 13. 13. Thank you very much. After done this, we make a nice picture and we show it to everybody. And we got something else that got together with this. We got a beautiful pork chop, and I prepare already. I put salt, a black pepper. What do you think about this? Ain't no beauty. This I gotta make flour, breadcrumb, egg. I make a nice cutlet. Or still I gotta find out with my son, my wife, everybody. Or maybe we make only pork chop like this on the pots. Nice, beautiful. Thank you very much. And we see next time. But after I cook this, I show a nice picture. Thank you. E salute chin chin. E happy birthday, lot of birthday today. Thank you.